Can you describe meaningful projects or meaningful performances that were meaningful for you?
Yeah, I mean, I heard the Klezmerix in 1990 something in Berlin on the Heimatklänge festival, and this was like interesting for me because it didn't feel like Yiddish folk song. I mean, it was Yiddish folk song too, but it didn't feel. It was a different way of performing it. So this was interesting, and also I like what Chava Stein and Klezmerix did with their recording. Then then it was important for me to meet Schaechter-Gottesman. She came to Weimar, and she was another bridge from coming from like an older time, like, and inhabiting that Yiddishness, but also she wrote her own Yiddish songs today. So this was interesting for me. And after that, I mean, I think with these two influences, and also maybe Marion Lerner. So Marion Lerner's attempts to do something new with Yiddish music. I started to write my own Yiddish songs, and I have like this, I call it Yid pop, but actually it's not Yid pop anymore, like Yiddish pop music. But it's just singer-songwriter in German Yiddish. It's called Freibisch.